Life. Hello. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wait for people to come on board. If you can see me, let me know. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wait for people to come. If you can hear me, type it up. Hello. I'm just checking if everyone can hear me here. As promised. I'm just checking. Okay, good. Watching to see if everyone comes, and I also want to see if everyone can see my screen. I want to go. Excellent. Good. Excellent. So I see Sam is there. Sam, welcome. I'm gonna give a few minutes for people to come and join. Okay, just sitting here in my office, long day. It's been a busy day. I'm gonna do some switches here to see if you can switch, because I want to be switching the screen. Switch one time to myself. You can see me here, and one time to the screen. Okay, that way we can. Good. I'm gonna be switching in between just while I wait for people to want to play with it. Okay, I'm gonna be playing around to see what's going on. Yeah, both sides. Excellent. Okay. Looks like I have 3 people there. Very good. And soon, I'm gonna be uh, showing all the things I wanted to share. Some cool stuff that I actually like about the program. I mean the software. It's amazing. And I'm gonna be going ahead and let me actually see if I can hear myself, because showing all the things I wanted to share. Excellent, beautiful. So that means it works, and I think if it doesn't work, I'm gonna keep my Facebook live open on my cell phone as well. So what I want you guys to do is to exactly. So I want you guys to put on the comments if you don't see anything. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just play around with some of the features of the app and see. I'm logged in. That's good. And I have some stuff here that's going on. Okay, beautiful. Something that's cool about the software that I like. By the way, I got this. I got ClickFunnels page. I actually grabbed and everything, and it worked perfectly fine. Okay, so there are people who are having issues with the editor. I understand it's kind of a little bit shaky, but they're working it to make sure it's very stable. But it's not as bad, and I actually been working with it. It works perfectly fine. I'm on a wireless camera, so if you see it's kind of rotating and taking some time, it shouldn't be that bad. Okay, and one thing that has been really upsetting for some people was changing the video. Okay, and it's actually easy. It's not that bad. Okay, and a lot of you guys can see that this is, for example, when I have a page, I just have a page like this. Do you know how much it cost this guy to build something beautiful like this? It takes a long time, right? So what I'm doing and if I wanted to get some features and keep some of the stuff here, of course I'm gonna delete some and change some of the colors and make it unique and make it my own, but basically get the beautiful layout and everything from this place. As you can see, I changed the video to our own video right here. Okay, so how do you do that? It's really easy. As you can see here, when the video has a border, whenever you like hover the your mouse over the lines here, there's thin lines like this blue ones, I don't know if you guys see, and a thick line like this one. Okay, so when the thick one appears, and that's when I click on it, I click on the thick one, and then you see here something, an iframe comes up. I don't know if you guys see it on from my screen. I have it here. It's an iframe, and when I have an iframe, it means I can deal with that video, because right now on Rebake the video is normally brought in through iframe. Okay, so I'm gonna go more. Once I click on this opens, right? When this opens, as you can see, the URL of the video that I have is here. Okay, if I want to change and I want to delete this, okay, but it's tricky because I've seen a lot of people, if you have a YouTube video or anything, what you want to do is, I'm gonna go on YouTube and show you this. I've been showing this on some of my videos and some of you really know this already, but just to make sure everyone is there, and I have something cool on I don't know, the Mami official trailer here. If I want to share this one on that page, I'm gonna open it. Okay, I'm gonna open this, and what you want to grab when you go share, right? What you want to grab is not this link. If you click on this link, if you get this link, you're not gonna have the video coming up there. You want to go on this part which says embed. Okay, the embedding link is really long, so because we have an iframe, everything on the iframe has been done for you. Okay, everything on the iframe has been done for you. So what I want to catch or get is this part, and I'm gonna grab all of this up to there. Why am I not getting this one? Because this is not for doing embed. It's not for embedding. Okay, if you're not the one, if you're not doing embedding, then you can take this one, but for this you gotta go here, only this part. I don't know if you guys see it. I'm gonna grab this one up to here, I'm gonna copy that, and I'm good. So I go back to my, and I'm gonna paste it here, and I'm gonna say done at here, and boom, look at that, I got the same video right there. Isn't that easy? If you really like this and you really think that's cool, I want to see you guys give me a like, a thumb, okay? And yes, if you can give, yeah, if you can see, give me some love, man. You gotta like it, okay? I want to see some like jumping up like that, okay? And let me know. Do you guys see that? Okay, beautiful, beautiful, excellent. So if you're following me, some thumbs up, okay? Cool. Okay, I'm not getting any feedback. So if you're following me, some thumbs up, okay? Cool, that's good. So that's the first thing that I wanted to show, and I think that's something really important, and I think a lot of you guys should take advantage of that. Now the other issue I saw was, how do I do images? Okay, same thing. This thing's movable, by the way. You can just like drag it anywhere. Shouldn't, it's annoying like it's blocking you. Okay, if I want to change this, I can, first thing you want to do is click on it, because this is the editor right here. I'm gonna put some dummy image here and change that into logo, okay, while I wait for my picture to be done. And all I need to do is grab an image. And how do I do that? I click on it, and you will see right here it's gonna show IMG, which is image. So you click more, this thing comes up, you get custom, you get your own image. So let me actually throw on my image there, and this is something that's very common. I want to show you guys something interesting. And you click on this one, and for some reason you see that the image has taken a lot of space. Okay, when this happens, the best thing is to get a logo size that's the same size as the original logo. But if you wanna go around this, there's a way, and because you have this white space out here, and what I do is I click on the whole thing. Okay, for now, let me just go on this one. Let me just save first, save the changes, because I messed up here. I want to deal with that. Okay, so when we're dealing with this, okay, I have to unlock. I have to deal with this. Okay, good. And what I want to do now is to click more. I'm looking at the height here and the width. And what I will do is probably go pixels right up here and move this around. Let's see. Whenever I move this, the changes that are gonna happen, and I'll play with this until I get the correct size. Okay, let me see if that's making it bigger. You see that? That's making it bigger. So what I want to do is move this one to the back all the way to the top, of course, and make it smaller, the same size, and now deal with my image. Okay, now I can say I'm done, and you see if I unlock this one, this one is now smaller. Okay, I want to then deal with this image. Hold on, the selection is being difficult. I want to deal with this one more time because I didn't save it. My logo size here. Some pixels as well. No, make it percentage. Keep it percentage. Okay, good. And yeah, play around with this, and I'll bring it to that level so that my logo is kind of hidden. But from last time when I did it, the system's automatically adjusting this. So yeah, the system is supposed to automatically adjust this. Yes, now I have the selection for the logo, and I can actually go here more as well. Go to the height from here, and I'll also go pixels, right? And I'll make the size smaller. Then I'm gonna increase this. No, make it smaller. Make it smaller. Yeah, so that looks like it. Keep going. Make it smaller. Right? And now you see you got some sort of a balance between it because it's kind of getting crooked, but yeah, you can make it look good, and that's it. Now look at that now. My page, I'm gonna select all of that, and you see that my page right now kind of looks like the original, and the video and everything's okay because I didn't save it. But you can see that now at the top everything looks good now. It's balanced, right? So a lot of people, when they did the replacement of the images, that's what was happening. And sometimes it takes, you know, more than a minute or two to handle all of this, right? Okay, good. I'm gonna save that, and I'm done, right? So now image adjustments, and it's supposed to be automatic, and but in case your size is completely different, yeah, you want to make sure you clean it up and make it smaller. Okay, that's one. Now the next cool feature that I wanted to show you guys today, and if you can see it here, I'll show you. One second. I don't know if you guys still will see me because I'm using my. Okay, good, beautiful. Okay, beautiful and cool. So auto adjust. Now that I'm out of that, I'm gonna go to the next feature. Okay, so I don't know, I'm trying to see because I'm using my desktop to record this. At the same time, I want to see what the reactions are. Okay, so let me see. Beautiful. Okay, I see myself here. Okay, I'm live. Okay, good. 6 of you guys are watching. Why not the link from the browser? What is that? Somebody's asking that question. Good. That was easy. Okay, good. Why not the link from the browser? I don't understand, Adrian. Loving, yeah, Adrian. I don't understand exactly what you're trying to ask. Yes, I don't know exactly what the question is, but that's one. Now the next cool feature that I wanted to show you. So I showed you how to do the videos, and it took you a little bit of time of tweaking and adjusting the image, but I still showed you how to do it. The next thing I want to show you is how to do some other stuff that many of you have not tried. Okay, and a lot of you may not have tried this, but I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me see. This is gonna be cool, and I'm gonna switch again my camera back on the screen, and I have a tool that makes it easy for me to switch and share both. If you have any questions, post them. I'll answer them later. Okay, let's say I have my page ready. It's all done. Let me just see this one. Yes, it's all done. I want to do some stuff with it. This part now, do you guys see this? Okay, if you look at here, this is what we call apps here. I'm sure a lot of you probably didn't even notice. Here, this is where you get the link for the page that you baked, okay, or rebaked, whatever you want to say. Okay, so when I get the link, this is the link that you want to follow or share, whatever, for that page. I'm sure some of you know that. But the apps now, let's look at this part of the apps. Okay, if you look at the apps, and there's tutorials for them, so make sure you take advantage. But I want to show you something cool here. I'm going to show you guys about the call to actions and how to do them. So I'm going to turn them on, okay, which means I can add call to action. How many of you, I want you just right now, before I go ahead, I want to see how many of you here on this call have been able to see this before. Okay, I just want to make sure everybody gets this one quickly. If you say type please yes, yes, I want to see that. Okay, okay, I'm gonna wait for a minute to see if everyone is saying yes or no. How many of you have seen this one before? And be okay, say yes or no. I want to see that. Okay, have you seen this call to actions before? Please put yes or no. Not you, Dennis. Right. Okay, good. Who else? The 7 people there. I just want to see who saw this before or not. Yes, good, Nathan. Okay, excellent. Anyone seen it? Anyone seen this before? Anyone else? And I'm going to show you why I'm asking this question. Because this is the whole point. The whole point of this, like having beautiful pages, is to have also the, of course, call to actions and all these other ones, right? So I don't see much results coming from here, but I'm gonna go and try this one now. Okay, so let me say I want to offer some discount, right? Okay, and I'm gonna put that. Okay, cool, Sam, I see that. Okay, so I'm gonna put that one right now, and for you can edit, right? You can write whatever you want. You can put the colors there, and now your discount code is ready. Get my discount code right now. You can put that, okay? And if you look here, now I'm gonna save the changes on that page. I'm gonna go back and do some other cool stuff that's there. This is the calls to actions. How about this one now? The real-time engager. This is the coolest part of the whole thing. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna demo both of them together. So let me put here and get my discount. No, I'm gonna say here surprise wait for 5 seconds to get my coupon, right? Okay, so this is the timer. I'm gonna put the color. I can choose any color I want. Okay, and I'm gonna put a link or a coupon or any, a button here. So let me put a coupon here, and the special coupon is gonna be let's say Facebook Live, whatever. I'm gonna put the coupon's name, or S345, whatever. Okay, just put something random here. SEO 40 off. Okay, and I'm gonna save this one. And by the way, the tutorials are also here. You can also look at them and see how they're done. Once I'm done this one, so now I did two things. Okay, the real-time engager. You can also do lock-in scripts. You can do reclicks. These are all things that you can connect with, and you can do all your integrations and all that. So I'm gonna go back to the page, right? And now I'm gonna go to my link. I'm gonna say show link from here, and I'm gonna try to preview. Okay, when I go to the link, this is what's gonna happen. Look at that. And then I'm gonna go about trying to look at the page, right? And oh, boom, see, my discount thing comes down, and look, now it's saying get my coupon, and it comes down here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys just saw that. Okay, so let me see one more time. Hold on. Yeah, get my coupon, and then yeah, it's gonna show the coupon because the color is yellow, so the same color here, but it's somewhere here hidden. I don't know if you guys see that. Okay, one more time I'm gonna play that. Isn't that cool? Okay, where you see a lot of websites where they feel like you're trying to close the window or something, and you see this real-time engager coming down, right? And like, yeah, get my coupon. No thanks, you can go, I'll buy it for the full price, right? Or get my discount. Or they can click on this one, and yeah, they can go ahead from there. So these are some of the cool features that are hidden somewhere in the corner, and a lot of people don't even know about it. Okay, so video editing, image resizing, and picture and doing how you can handle these other things, the apps here, which are a lot of them really good, and that's it. And the bonuses again from me and Ronnie and Blaze are all here, and you can download them. It's gonna be like a PDF file that's this blue color, and you can see here on the second page now it's gonna say the extra bonuses are here. So if you wanna take these pages that you wanna copy from Blaze, Auto One is here. So technically you can use his own funnel to, you can copy it and make it into your own pages, and it looks really cool, looks beautiful, right? Look at that. Okay, and so he's giving you that for free. Technically you're not allowed to copy someone else's page, you have to have permission, but if you're doing that and you want to use it on your website, this one you have been given permission to do so, and at least, right? So you can, that's one. If you go back now on the PDF, my page is heavy, it's loading, give it a minute. Okay, good, this is the PDF. Okay, cool. From here you can see, if you click on here, it's my membership site, sign up. Okay, what is it, what's in here? Okay, I'll show you guys what's in here. When you go for the sign up page, this is, you put in all your information, username, password, and you get something like this. Okay, I moved the domain because people are using it a lot, so that's my email. I'm not gonna hide it. No need. Okay, I don't even remember my own password. Okay, cool. So once you log in, this is what you're gonna see inside. It's a lot of plugins in here, and you can take the plugins and use them as your own. Okay, you go ahead, and every morning, no, every 2 days, the plugins that you see here will open. Okay, so you have the first one already open, right? So what's the first one? It's gonna talk to you about the only plugin you'll ever need to turn your visitors into loyal subscribers, leaders, and customers. Hassel has the charm. He's got the SaaS, and he's super smooth, right? That's cool. They're saying that about this, and you can actually download this. Okay, as soon as you download, okay, of course the zip file comes down for the plugin, and these are really like premium plugins, not some garbage, you know, PLR plugins. You won't find them anywhere else, right? And you go back here, you can see all the other ones are here. Okay, so we have Hummingbird, Defender, Smart Scroll, WP, whatever. Yeah, all these ones are here for you guys. Okay, I'm just giving this for free for now, and we charge them $35 a month, and yeah, that's how much we charge a month, every month. Okay, and that's a big saving for you guys, just because you've been through a lot, so we felt like we should give you this. Okay, cool. And what is in the third one, the last one that we're looking at? Not here. Where's the plugins? The directory went back from here. Where's the PDF? Yes, PDF is here. The third one, the last one, is from Ronnie's bonuses, and what is in here is actually interesting. You can So if you look here, he has 6 best headline generators. This one's all will help you generate headlines, right? And who is this guy? That's all his information and his live and what he does and all that information. Okay, so some of them I want to show you guys. Some of the cool ones I see with this is, if you go on this one here with the headline one, you want to make your own headline. This one's generate 10 practical windsurfing secrets from Mike Heck, whatever. It's just some random headlines. So he listed them all here. They're cool. Take advantage and use them for whatever you want. Like some catchy headlines, right? Okay. And yep. So that's it. And it's right now it's about 7:25 coming. And I'm gonna answer some of the questions you guys have. If you have any questions right now, as much as I can. Yeah. So let me know, and I'm gonna be looking them from my other screen. Okay, so okay, any questions? Thanks, Dennis. Thank you so much. Yeah, no problem. Anytime. Any questions, guys? Do you have any questions for now? Okay. And as we go every day, I don't want to overwhelm you guys. We're gonna look for 1 or 2 feature that's needed and that everyone needs, that I can try to play around with and then share that with you guys. Okay. And so far it's been it looks like a lot of people are catching up. The only thing is the auto resizing of the images hasn't been functioning, I guess, but I think they're working on it. They're gonna fix it. But if there's any problem with that, you still know how to play around with that, the width and the height. And softwares, the problem with them is you never know. And if they break down, it's not easy. And people these days are not patient. You see how powerful this tool is, how easy it is to do things with it. Okay, and if you have questions, the best thing is, look, calm down, go through every single thing on the on the group, right? Because we went through a lot of these ones before. A lot of the questions people have been asked by someone else at some point. Just go through the questions, see where you can, that's another question. So yeah, see if somebody has had the same question and they got the answer and the solution there. But then somebody will be like, yo, you guys didn't tell us this only works with WordPress. No, it works with WordPress and other websites, but you gotta know that we have answered that question many, many times before, and it's there on the page. The answers are there. Like, people have been replying. The replies to those questions are there. So just take time, go through the tutorial. The first step, always try to understand as much as you can before you even use it, because it can be really confusing. Rebaking of the pages is almost there. What happened is, they're trying to change servers, and that came in, and that took over a lot of time, and so they're trying to release that yesterday, I guess, but they had to take it back, roll it back, because they're rebuilding the way the system works, right? Because expectations and things are moving fast. So hopefully in the next few days you'll hear, and you'll be able to rebake, I think, 100% all your pages, and it's going to be a cool feature. I look forward to seeing that myself. And the other thing is, like, this looking at the way the software works, you can now build an entire website, beautiful websites I'm talking about, right? In minutes. Okay, yeah, just change a few things. The other thing is, okay, let's say you had a web page. because you can change the colors, you can change the design, you can play around with things. You can create one page and reproduce 10 different designs from the same page. Just save it, as different pages. And when you have a customer you're helping and for web design, you go and show them all the templates and say, look, this is what I got for you. These are all the different possible templates that I have from the same page, of course. Different colors, different combinations. Which one do you want to go with? Okay, and boom, if they like one, they go ahead and do it. Okay, so these are some of the ways you can take advantage. If possible, I'm gonna be coming more live, and now that I know I know how to handle it, because I can see I can actually cover like 100 different angles with my system. I can switch from the computer to face to angle to everything. I can do 10 different cameras with the system that I'm using, and then we can cover a lot more. And to be honest, I can help you guys a lot more with the business aspect of it than the technical, because technical is more for Blaze and his team. I've been more like helping with marketing, with running stuff and all that. I personally I love doing these things and I do it, but for living, I'm actually a school principal. I run schools, so it's completely different. What is a school principal doing in a technical website design stuff, right? But anyways, yeah, we teach in one of my courses. This is what we teach, and that's what you will know, that I got this so that I can teach my students. Okay, and if there's any questions in future, put them there. If you have any more questions, you can always private message me. Yeah, let's keep in touch. Okay, all right. Have a good night, guys.